I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, our featured ingredient is broccoli, and we'll be making broccoli, cheddar, and turkey bacon corn muffins and pan-charred broccoli with crab gremolata and aioli.
So we're just going to mix in the egg and mix in all this stuff. So if you ladies want to go ahead and mix the liquid ingredients in here and stir it together,
Sure,
I'm going to blanch the broccoli.
All right.
We have the broccoli for the adults, which is cut kind of just like bigger spears.
Okay.
And the broccoli that's going to go in the muffins is chopped up for the kids. So.
And what does blanching do?
The blanching is just really just the cooking of it and the pre-cooking, and then you can finish cooking it any way you want. So if we put this raw broccoli into the muffins, it would just kind of be crunchy and raw. You want to have some par cooking to it. You can go ahead and mix your cheese in there too at this point.
Let's
you can mix the turkey bacon, and the whole muffin's going to cook to temp, so the turkey bacon will come to temp. Our broccoli is cooked for our muffins.
And you're adding a nice amount of broccoli to these muffins. What are some of the health benefits of broccoli?
Oh, broccoli is one of the superfoods, so it's full of a lot of nutrients and vitamins, especially K and vitamin C.
And calcium too, right?
Oh, absolutely, yep. And calcium.
So if you're on a dairy-free diet or you have dairy allergies, I think broccoli is a
great source.
Right.
Absolutely.
So here's our final muffin mix.
That was so easy. You know what I love about this recipe? It's like a one-bowl muffin mix. We didn't have to dirty lots of dishes, mixing in different dishes. It's all done in that one big bowl.
Muffin tin here, so if you ladies want to start putting our muffins in the muffin tins. We have our other broccoli in here blanching, and we're going to pull that out. We're going to go ahead and finish sauteing it in the pan and add the remainder of the ingredients to it, okay?
Okay.
So for this, we're going to use some butter.
And a little bit of butter is always okay. Essential fats.
Be careful putting the wet broccoli in with the hot pan. It'll splatter a little bit. And you can see I cut them kind of big. So you want the cut part to almost like brown a little bit. And I think at this point we could season a little bit.
Should we put these in the oven? They're all done?
Yeah, let's go ahead. Our oven's at 350, getting a little bit of color on our broccoli. So we're going to go ahead and start putting the remainder of our ingredients in here. We have some shallots.
Shallots.
Okay, they're just cut small. Did something different. We have roasted garlic instead of regular garlic. We have my favorite secret ingredient for broccoli is a little anchovy. Put a couple of that. Adds a really nice kind of like umami flavor.
And a little bit of omega-3.
Right, yep.
Okay, we have capers.
Good fats.
Let's put the lemon in. That was the zest of one lemon. We're going to put the crab meat in at the end. The crab meat is fully cooked.
Okay.
So we just kind of want to warm it up with the other flavors.
And if you don't have any crab meat at home or you can't find any, what can you use as a
easy to omit.
substitute?
You can easily do some nice diced shrimp. It could be even like nice canned tuna, olive oil canned tuna would go great with these flavors.
I'd never think to saute tuna, but to put it in the pan is such a great idea. And who doesn't have a can of tuna?
Look at the nice color of our broccoli now.
Do you think this is something you would make as a young
new mom?
Yeah.
I love seafood. I'm a big seafood fan. So is my husband.
Really?
And we've introduced it to our son already.
And another one-pan dish. We put everything into one pan. We didn't dirty a lot of dishes.
No,
this is very easy
I love the
cleanup.
one-pan dishes. I'm a big fan of them.
And I think that's something that a lot of new families want to hear, that they can do that. They can make these gourmet meals very easily.
Okay.
Let's dig into these muffins.
Go ahead, try the muffins. I'll cut the broccoli.
I'm just going to use my hands.
Go ahead. Why not? Okay.
Oh, wow.
You good?
Oh, they're delicious. I love them.
Let's try the broccoli.
All right, let's try the broccoli.
Let's get down to real business.
Really good. The broccoli isn't so strong tasting in those, so I think together it makes a delicious meal.
Right.